Family Lifestyle TV. Big up the crew, Shaniqua, Shada, Donje, Pinky, Shante. We're there for cook, laugh, and live it up right now. Jamaican vibes. Let's go. Me wake up early with the sunshine glow. Saltfish and I keep on the pot, you know. Binky dead in a kitchen seasoning flow. Shanty and a laugh camera ready for sure. Green Family Lifestyle, you don't know. Jamaican spice every video go. From yard vibes to cookout show. Joni, now we run the show.
Welcome back to today's video, guys. Welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV.
We bring the fire like jerk on grill. Rice and peas, steady belly get filled. Coconut run down, curry and spill. Me a queen in a kitchen.
Alright guys, as you see, we are getting the chicken started. We're gonna have fried chicken and rice and peas. Yes guys, we're having the chicken clean because we're gonna have fried chicken and rice and peas. Jamaican authentic rice and peas with the fried chicken, and then we're gonna have a side of vegetables. So stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, we're getting the seasoning on the chicken for the fried chicken, because we're doing the deep fried chicken. So that's the
garlic powder. I use sazon caliente, black pepper, seasoning, salt, and I'm just going to use a little bit of salt.
Alright guys, so you know it's a family cooking today. We just cooking up
Got one egg.
a meal. And that's the egg for the fried chicken. So you know you can't have the fried chicken without the egg. And then we're gonna use the fork or the knife to inflict some Alright guys, as you see,
seasoned down to the bone chicken.
you hear that guys? It's gonna be seasoned properly.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're gonna let that sit. We're gonna let that sit. So for how much?
For about 2 minutes.
So 2 minutes the chef stated guys. So that's how you wanna have it. Just like that guys. As you see, we have the flour right there. We have the flour right there.
I'm going to season up the flour with a little salt and pepper, and that's it.
Alright, so stay tuned guys. Guys, we're getting the flour seasoned. So that's salt. And now we have the black pepper. And we want to give that a stir. And that's for the basing of the chicken guys, the coating.
That smells like it's ready.
Alright guys, you hear the sound. So we're gonna go ahead and have them place in the bowl. So alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get it started. We're gonna start having it frying right now. We're gonna get the oil in the frying pan, so stay tuned.
Yeah. Get some garlic in the pot. Stay tuned. So the oil is ready, so we're gonna get in our chicken. Yes, baby. That's okay.
Yeah, guys, we have the chicken in the fire, and it's dinner on a movie day, guys. So we just cooking and just watching movie.
It's our date night.
Guys, you hear that? It's a date night. It's a chicken date night.
Chicken date night.
Only chicken was available, guys. That's why.
Oh. Chicken smells.
They're looking lovely. Woo. Guys, she can fry that chicken good.
That's what I was born to do. Fried chicken.
Sure.
Nice.
She's not a fast cooker, guys, but when she finishes, it's gonna taste good. She worked like a fire.
I work like a fire. Slow.
Fire ain't slow.
I work like the fire.
If you turn it up, it's fast. If you turn it down, it's slow.
Okay. Guys, I'm learning fire control this week.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna get this other chicken in the fire. Remember earlier we made the patty, the vegan veggie chunks patty, guys. I want you to take that pastry and try that veggie chunk filling out. I think only half of patty left, guys, out of a few of them.
A quarter of them is left. Half is gone.
Shoot.
So Patty got up and walked away from the pan.
Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, them now in the chicken. Best fried chicken. New Jersey finest. Check out it, guys. She, guys. So it's she fried chicken.
She fried chicken.
S fried chicken. There is no other fried chicken more than one fried chicken, guys, so stay tuned.
And look at no burn mark.
No burn mark, guys. Epic. She said it. Yes, guys, we have the first set of chicken being removed from the frying pan. As you can see, guys, here well browned, well soaked, and well fried. We're just having the oil being dripped off. I'm getting that last piece right there. Alright, guys, you don't know, you don't have to ask what's next. Add more chicken, same temperature, not too high, not too low. And you know how to season the chicken already, guys. She's just having the next set floured. Just like that, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, now we have all the chicken in the frying pan. So you know what's next, guys. See you at the end. Alright, guys, we're removing the chicken now, so that's it for the chicken. So stay tuned while I have the vegetables all cut up, because we're gonna make a sauce for the chicken, guys. Gravy. Alright, guys, that's the final product of the chicken. Guys, that's the final product of the chicken, and that's the fried chicken. So stay tuned. Guys, there you have it. That's the final product. We have the cucumber, sweet corn, avocado salsa.
Seasoning flow, champagne and laugh, camera ready for sure. Green family lifestyle, you don't know. Jamaican spice, every video go. From yard vibes to cookout show. Johnny.